Okay, we're now on to the video training. What I'm going to teach you in this quick video is how to auto post to Facebook using your Builderall account. Okay, it's a fantastic feature, saves a lot of time. Okay, so if you go across to Builderall, so you get yourself logged in. Okay, we're in here now. Look down the side, you've got apps. Within here, we've got auto post. Okay, so we just open that up. Now, this is fantastic. I try to post on Facebook every day at least, but sometimes for whatever reasons I can't always manage it. By using this system, it guarantees that I've always got live information going out on my Facebook account. Okay, so what you do when you first land on this, come to the Accounts Manager, click into here, and you will just click Add New Account. You'll link into your Facebook account, and that will allow you to put whichever pages and attach them. Here I've got this one, which is my business page for my personal stuff, GMB Exposure, which is another one of my websites and businesses, and Create Website for You, which is another one of my businesses as well. Okay, so once you've done that, linked in your pages, you can then come out, you can allocate colours, which will make sense in a second. And then once you've logged in, you can go to schedule your posts. Okay, and if you can see, these were ones that were started posting earlier in the week. I've been manually posting on these the last couple of days, so it's not been a problem. Oh, go away. All you do, just come along. It's the 9th today, so you'd click in here. Okay, you can give it a name. Post 1. Okay, I've got here a document. I've got all the posts ready. And this is basically just going to be the promotion stuff that's within Builderall. Copy, Builderall post 1. I'll make it a bit. Go for 9:30. Paste. I then want an image to go with that. Choose file. Where are they? No. Facebook posts. Day 1. Click. Open. Leave that to upload. And it does. My internet's a bit slow and a bit twitchy tonight. Just seems to be taking forever to do anything. Okay. Right, that's uploaded. It will just give you the thumbnail to show you what it is, and then you just click Add Rule. There you go. That's now in there. Just 2. Paste. Good thing I went through and wrote out, well, they're the ones that you actually get with Builderall, all these posts, and then I've just rewritten them all slightly just in my own way, and put my own link into everything. I then saved them all to a document here, which I'm also going to set up and use as an autoresponder series, a 30-day autoresponder series, which I can then also continue to promote when people land on this landing page. They're still going to get promoted to with Builderall, plus other affiliate products that I sell and monetize from. So let this just upload. Okay. Add room. Day 3. Section 3. If you're watching this and are interested in making money with Builderall, you can join as an affiliate via this link here. It'll be below the video anyway. And if you want copies of these rewritten email list or autoresponder or whatever you want to call it, just let me know and I'll send it out, and all you'll do is just go in, change your link or change this link to your link, and you're good to go. Okay, so that's as simple and as easy as it is to add a Facebook post every single day. You can change the times, you can do whatever. So say, here we'll do this, Builderall message 4, come down, and what I'll do, in fact, I'll just change it to the AM. Okay, so going on, we're now into message 4. Hit the wrong button. Okay, so hopefully that's it. That's 4 posts already going out over the next 4 days. So if I am busy, I've got stuff going on, it's not a major drama. I know there's going to be stuff going out onto my Facebook at all times. This is also great. You can do this with video, whatever you want to use, you can put up on here and continue to promote every day, making sure your stuff's going out. Okay, how easy it is to actually put these auto posts in place. Hopefully, if you like the bit of training, if you can hit the subscribe button, because I'll be releasing videos a couple of times a week showing you how to use Builderall and how to promote it. Okay, if you can also hit us a thumbs up, I would much appreciate it. Thanks.